All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to talk about some last minute tech deals that you can still get before Christmas. These are going to be Amazon links, non-affiliate, so you can click away, it doesn't matter, because their deals are not available through the affiliate program. And these deals can get to you before Christmas for that last minute gift for your auto tech in your household. So anyway, let's get into it. All right, these are all available. You may have to pay some shipping to get it before Christmas, but they're available so you can get them. This deal is for last year's model for the Topdon AD500 launch-based scan tool. It's 29% off. Quick, easy, cheap, nice little scan tool for a lot of basic automotive work. The AD600S is 21% off at $169. Available to get on December 21st. All right, next one is also Launch, actually branded Launch. This is the CRP123X Elite. Limited lifetime free updates, 21% off, $141 even. And again, you can get this with Prime before Christmas. All right, next one is the Launch X431 CRP919 EBT. This one is also 21% off. This is a more premium tool, so it's more expensive, $428. Again, with Prime in Atlanta market, you can get it before Christmas. Launch CRP123i V2 is 20% off, $159. Better hurry on this one. 76% of the ones available have already been bought. So, and you may have to pay extra shipping to get it before Christmas. The last deal is the Launch X431 Pro 3S. This is obviously the top tier one, and you know, this might be a personal Christmas gift, not a gift actually. It is 20% off at $1151.20. And again, you might have to pay extra to get it before Christmas, but you can get it before Christmas. So these are the deals I found. I didn't find a whole lot of tools that were deep discounts, but I found these scan tools. Now, I could have added a bunch of lithium-ion jump boxes to this list, but everything I found was not name brand. I wasn't familiar with them, and I can't endorse them. Everything here you can buy with confidence. They're launch-based. They're good. They're going to do what they say they're going to do. So that's why I added these. And that's why this is the list I've got, just because this is what I could find. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.